This is the 2022 version of the Chausson 640 titanium VIP motorhome. It's under 7 meters in length, and if you choose to get it on a Fiat, it's even shorter than the Ford by 3 centimeters. It costs 73,075 euros. So this van has here this enormous seating area with a table there. You've got a bed up there, 160 centimeters in length. You've got this really long kitchen here with a stack of storage below it. You've got a stack of stuff, well, normal amount of storage above it. And at the back, you've got a toilet, a sink, and a shower, which is very large as well. In here, you will find more storage. And this storage here, how does this work? There you go. Works like this. There you go. It slides out like that. That slides out like that. And on the other side, it also slides out. So everything slides out. Isn't that clever? And up here, you've got storage behind these things, and a rail up here. And of course, if you pay extra, you can have the option of having some of them broken. Right. It wasn't me. I wasn't here earlier. And there's something to hang things on. Now, I think this is a rather useful motorhome for those who are wanting a lot of space down there. And of course, there's also the option of making a bed below. Now, I'm now going to make you a suggestion that you also look at the equivalent vehicle in the EuraMobil, which is more or less the same price. And it's the same company, it's the same manufacturer, although not in the same factory. So that gives you a little look at this vehicle, and what I think, it comes with also with a fat fridge here, and up here there you have a freezer and a television and more storage there. So if you want a big washroom at the back without the bed cluttering the place up, then this could be for you. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and I've done the whole video in under 3 minutes, which is now my aim. I think I've done this in more detail elsewhere, and if I have, there'll be a link.